How's it going, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Sick ETV, and today, well, I got a Google Pixel 4 in 2020. I'll go ahead and explain. I've always wanted a Pixel phone, and I just wanted to see how this Google Pixel 4 is, and this phone came out, I believe, in October, so we'll do a whole, like, Google Pixel in 2020 type of thing. But I was really excited when T-Mobile decided to carry the Pixel line when I found out about it. But then I found out that they're only going to carry the 64 gigabyte variant of it and charge, full price, which I didn't think was worth it. 64 gigs, and plus they wanted a down payment on, I believe it was the Google Pixel 3 when that came out. And I didn't think it was worth it, so I ended up going with I think the OnePlus 7T or another device. And then this year they came out with the Pixel 4. Got excited, it was on T-Mobile, but then again, 64 gigabyte variant of it for $899. They wanted like $100 down for it, so I said screw that. I went with the OnePlus 7T that I'm recording this video on, and I never looked back. Well, I think it was like about a week ago, this phone got discounted on T-Mobile for like $499. It was 44% off for the XL version, and then the regular version, the regular Pixel 4, was $399. Well, it's back up to $699, which is still $200 off its $899 price tag, and I think that's a good deal. Either way, $499 or $699. It's a good deal for the Pixel 4 XL. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump down into it. I'm not going to be too extravagant with the unbox, just because I'm sure there's millions of them on there. Like I said, this phone has been out for a while, and I'm still really excited about it. I still think it's a very capable phone, especially for 2020 spec wise, and we'll go ahead and do an unboxing. I'll do my first impressions on this device, and then later on we'll do some more videos comparing it to like the OnePlus 7T, the 7 Pro, and stuff like that. I'll do like a review and my thoughts of how this phone stacks up against the other ones in 2020. So don't go anywhere, stick around. Alright, so like I said, not going to be too fancy with the unboxing of this phone. We're just going to tear it open. Like I said, it's been out for a while. There's a lot of videos out there that have unboxing videos of this device, a lot of people, so let's go ahead and get it done. I'm pretty much just going to do it just for me, and yeah, I'm really excited about this phone. I'm really excited. I've always wanted a Pixel phone, and I'm glad I'm able to finally get one at a decent price. So you're automatically greeted with the device right here, and it feels really nice in the hand, really heavy. Not too heavy, but it feels substantial. It has some weight to it. Let's go ahead and set that aside right there. And then you got your tray. Throw that away. You got your books and shit. SIM ejection tool. Throw that away. You got your little USB adapter. If you want to transfer stuff from another device, you can do that using that. USB to USB Type-C cable. And you got your charging brick right here. I don't know if you could see some of those specs. I believe it's a 20-watt charging brick. I'm not sure. I think it is. You get that in the box as well. So really, really good. I'm really excited about this device. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see how much storage is on here. That's the only thing I'm really concerned about, is the storage of this phone. 64 gigabytes for me doesn't seem like a lot. I'm used to putting music on here. I have like 10 gigs of music that I'll put on my devices, whether it's SD card or on the actual phone. So I may not be able to do that right now, but this is pretty much a phone that's going to hold me off until the next LG comes out, whether it be the LG G9 or the V60, or maybe even the OnePlus 8 next month. This phone is just going to hold me off until then. I just really wanted to try it out and at least say that I got to have a Pixel 4 XL. Let's go ahead and unwrap it. Really nice. So it feels really good in the hand. The back is really smooth. And yeah, it's glass in the back, but it's a frosted glass. It feels excellent. The sides have some sort of a paint coating on it, so hopefully that doesn't come off really easily. And of course the buttons. So really nice feeling phone. It sort of feels like an iPhone 11 or an iPhone 10R with that flat design on it. So really nice feeling phone. Let's see if it's got some juice in it. And then I'm going to set it up and then show you guys exactly how much storage is available on the 64GB variant of the Google Pixel 4 XL. You got your power button, volume rocker on the right hand side, dual cameras. I believe it's a 12 megapixel sensor, main sensor, and a 16 telephoto, which I kind of wish it had a ultra wide. You guys have heard the story before. You got your flash, a bunch of other sensors on there. At the bottom you got your Google logo. Very simple, unique design. Speakers at the bottom, one speaker, USB Type-C, no headphone jack, of course. You got your other firing speaker up here with your 8 megapixel camera, I believe. SIM tray, no micro SD card expansion, which is sad, but the display, really nice. I believe it's a 6.3 inch display. The reason for the chin up here is they have all the Soli sensors and radar for facial recognition. No fingerprint sensor on here whatsoever, so they're definitely going the same route as Apple with that facial recognition only. So I'll go ahead and set this up and let's go ahead and run through the menu. So here we are back. I am in the phone, all set up, ready to go. And let's go ahead and take a look at storage. So there's 21% used out of the 64 gigabytes. 50 gigabytes is what's free. 13.35 gigabytes is being used out of 64, so 21%. Hopefully that's okay. I think all the photos get sent on over to the cloud or Google Drive or whatever, so hopefully that'll free up some space on this device and it won't be a problem with me. Like I said, I like to put a lot of stuff on my phone, a lot of music, but I guess I'm going to have to be streaming stuff on here with this phone. But overall, first impressions of this device, it's really smooth. It feels really good in the hands. I had to charge it, stick it on the charger for a little bit because there wasn't that much battery life. Getting a little bit warm, I guess, because it's the first setup. But there is a system update available on here. But facial recognition definitely works really fast. As you can see, it goes straight into the device. Really nice and quick on here. So it's going to be really nice to get used to this. And one thing I really enjoy is having an always-on display. As you all know, OnePlus devices do not have always-on displays. This one's a simple one, but it's still really good. As far as all of this motion sense stuff, I may turn it off. As far as swiping on over to change music and stuff, I may turn that off, but I do have the option to where it'll unlock it if I reach for it. And then it'll turn it on, sense my face, and boom, it's unlocked. So really nice, really fast. The power button and the volume rocker, I keep trying to hit the volume rocker to unlock it. It's a little bit higher up. I'll just have to get used to that. But hopefully it's going to be a really smooth experience. There's a system update available. I'll probably update it. But I'm really excited about this device, guys. I know this phone has been out for a while, but I have never had a Pixel device, and I'm very excited to test this out camera-wise and performance-wise, and I'll let you know what I think. With that being said, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Google Pixel 4 XL is in the house. I'm really digging this phone. Hopefully it works out just fine. I can't wait to use it and get my thoughts on it. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel right away. Hit that little notification bell for future notifications on this channel. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It's up to you. Peace.